Alabama a Joyce Banda. I couldn't support Joyce Banda. I did join her.
Why?
Palibalizo nambili mbili.
Chimozi mwajo ni yari simu ganata support Joyce Banda.
Personal ones.
Mnayambana?
Yes, personal issues.
Mnayambana ya?
Zambili, my reporter Joyce Banda kwa Bingu against me as a minister were such that akali Bingu jasaku alibe chirunga mu ntima ili chwa kandi jotsa.
Joyce Banda ankaga kuneneza ni kwa Bingu.
Yes.
Kuti mara.
One anenda kwa Bingu kuti naba ndikuba inabwe ndikuba nditu. Naba akanditumiza a president kuja tamentri foreign affairs ndikatsikula kunja ndimaka ndipita kuma embassy athu ukatenga extra allowances anafusa asaka ndima na mondilibe gulo kondo ndima mondilibe Joyce Banda ndima mondilibe. Or the next day Abandimu ikamuna Gudo mavuru bandichulabe. Gudo went to State House, Mankani Zina, and Bingu anafusa Gudo. Gudo, what was that? What was all that about, Zero Ridge? And Gudo simply said, I don't think Joyce Banda likes that song. Full stop.
So that's why Simuna supported Mamina Joyce Banda Analimboma.
When I example,
but we don't have time for three.
That's one reason why I was here. I couldn't shit.